We're going to try a little Shorty George break. You guys know what Shorty George is? Okay, so we're going to do the Shorty George. I'll pull my dress up so you can see my knees. Everybody put their feet together. Now this requires flexible ankles. So what you do is you just move your knees and ankles from wall to wall. And you keep your knees pretty much together. Okay, and now what you do is you walk while you're doing that.
Guys do.
Yeah, guys do. Shorty George, he's a guy. You kind of flip your knees, and it's a very loose hip. Now, if you really want sort of the style, it's got a real swingy hip to it. That's okay, what you're doing is interesting.
I saw that too. I thought, oh.
If you do something interesting, you can keep it. All right, so what we're going to do for the guys, instead of the rock step, you're going to make a Shorty George going forward. Triple step. Now my own bouncer, it would be triple steps and walk, walk. And then we're just going to go under the arm and come back and pick her up. And for the girls, Karen, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do 2 triples, and then you're going to make a Shorty forward, and then a arm twist, and a triple, and back. So this first I'll do it without the spring. But it's really cute with the spring because you can bounce her off the hip into the little action. Yeah. So here's our second triple. And now here we go walking down. Boink, boink, right? And now we make a triple. Triple, and a triple. And pick her back up. That's where you came from. So do that again first without the spring. Triple, triple, and she goes away from me. So we both go out and we both come in. And now we make a triple, and a triple, and a break. Now I'm going to do it with a bounce that you can take home with you. Triple step, out and bump, and Shorty. This is cute. This is lots of fun. Yeah. But for now, we're going to spring. Smiles will probably spring. Right? No? All right, let's try, should we work in the bed separately, or do we want to try it? You guys want to do your work separately?
Yes.
Okay, here you are. 2 triples, triple to the left, triple to the right. That does help to give her a bump. And now we do a walk and a walk. And now she's here, you go under the arm. Triple, and triple to the right, triple to the right, and pick her up. We'll do that again. Triple left, triple right, give her a bump, away and in, and underarm turn, triple step, and rock. One more time. Triple on the left, triple on the right, give her a bump, Shorty, George, triple, triple, put your arm around the back. Okay, ladies, right foot triple, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, bring away, bring forward, go under the arm, and triple to the left, rock, step. Triple on the right, triple on the left, bump. Walk, walk, under the arm, triple, triple, and rock. One more time. Triple on the right, triple on the left, bump. Shorty, George, and triple, and break. Right with the partner. Here we go. Walk you through it, and you'll be on your end. And triple left, triple right, walk, walk. Triple under, pick her up. Do a basic. Next time, here we go. Triple step, walk, walk. Triple step, do a basic. Back in there. Next time I'm going to do a spring. So here we go. Triple step, spring and bump. Shorty, George. What happened? body wants to go back. No matter what, body wants to go back. If you're going to do this little walk, you have to get yourself on the motor going forward. Right? So practice that. We're going to jump ahead and do a little Lindy so that we have some time to do it. But play with this. You'll love working with the string, and you can put this in on any of your rockers. Okay, Lindy can be done fast or it can be done slow. If you take your partner, most basic movement, just like really any swing, is even without the break. 1, 2, 1, 2. The style of Lindy is very casual. So we're not even doing the break yet. She's doing the jockey step. Let's try that together. Then you have your 6-count basic, which is 2 ways to do this. Actually, there's more than that, but 2 basic ways to do just what we already did and put the brake on it. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Some of you do single time swing, which is really insane. Much more simple. Slow, slow, quick, slow, slow. Now the other basic method, you may know a double time swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're doing sort of a point for a kick. Point, step, break. Point, step, break. Point, step, break. Point, break. Point, break. Now we're going to change back to slow, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, slow. Good. All right, let's change partners. Stay on this foot. We're already committed to doing this one. If I want to do the kicks, I'm going to fold her in. Great. Fold her in. Great. Kick, kick. Great. All different versions of the 6-count basic. The other one is where you go wild. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which we will show you, but I don't know how many of you feel like doing that right now. So if you want to change the look, for what you more often see when people will show them in the top, they usually use that kicking action on the But we're going to jump into an 8-count. If you've done in regular swing, we call the Lindy turn. You're the guy that something goes around. The music is very fast. You may not have time to do a weight change. So we just do a little walk like this. So, they're going to do the leg real quick. Right? So we're going to do that in the middle. That's an 8-count basic. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, slow, pause. 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 1, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy to lead this because you just keep her over that way. Right? And if you want to do the mild step, right, to continue it. She has to stay there and do it until I let her out. If we want, we can do that. Okay. Just make sure you're not up against the wall. All right, cool down. You guys are really getting cramped right now. Change partner. The top tempo. And when you get tired, do that in jockey. And then when you get your energy back, right? Keep between your partner's feet. 1, 2, 3, break. 1, 2, 3, break. Back to your easy basic. Do an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to your basic. Very easy to follow if you use, right, if you use a bunny. All right, I'm going to turn you loose here. And let's see what we can do. Just to show you how some of this, you can work this up, right? That's your Lindy rhythm. For your 8 counts, which can also be a 10 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Now, if I want to start turning that, right, you don't have time to go, right? So you just take it around, bump, bump, go, bump, 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 like this one.
Quick beat, Karen.
Your basics, this basic, in open position, kick, kick, break, kick, kick, break, kick, kick, break. Right? If you want to work up to this, how many of you may be happy doing a jockey? You can jockey all night, it'll be fun. Right? So you're doing it whether you're doing this or moving that. It's all the same dance, but varying degrees of energy. You don't even have to throw over your head.
When you're turning and the man's like half hooking his foot, is the woman hooking on the other foot?
No, she just has
She
one.
just kind of goes around.
Well, the style, you know, it's the dance of the people from the era, and so they just dance wild, crazy things. Everybody did their own sort of thing. We always meet up together and rock, right? So it doesn't have to have certain look, but it should look like what I call studio dancing. More free feel to it. All right, you guys better go dry off.